want this.
Are you sure?
So this.
Maybe this one.
I think I want mermaid. And this.
Okay. We need to pay first before you open, right? Are you ready? Okay. Tita will scan. Blind box. So many blind box here. Okay. Can I see that? Okay, are you excited to open this? Yes or no? Next time we buy this. Okay. They have also Stitch. Blind box. Okay. In Miniso, they can buy here, no? In Miniso, you can buy many things, right, Kate? Ah, they have this. What is this? Minion. Uy! Minion. Wait. Oh, Miniso. Okay, you pay now. Okay. Scan. Can I see? Open there. Okay. She's happy. Are you happy? You have a new toy? Dream and Shadow is here with you. Yes or no? Dream and Shadow. Open. Mermaid.
Blind.
What is that? What is that?
Snow White.
Snow White. Are you sure it's Snow White? Snow White. Wow. Princess. Can you open? Can I see? Wow. Snow White. Okay, you show there. Can you look there? Snow White. Can you see? It's Snow White, huh? Can I see? Uy, beautiful.
Ano yan? You put the dog.
Oh, I have the dog. Uy, I have the dog, huh?
This one not Tita, this one not shown.
Oh. Wow, so cute. That one, mermaid, oh? Mermaid, that one, I don't know who's that. The other cartoon?
Ariel.
Huh?
I want Ariel.
Ariel, oh? And that one? Elsa?
No.
What's that? And how about this one?
Ano yan?
I have the name.
Cinderella.
Can I see?
Mereda.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Belle. Rapunzel. Mulan. Oh, Mulan. Ariel. Merida. Snow White. Cinderella. Okay. So next time again, if Kate study well, Daddy will buy for you again. Okay?
No, yeah.
What you say to Daddy first? Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
Kiss Daddy first. Kiss Daddy first.
Yeah, Ariel.
Kiss Daddy first.
Ariel.
Ariel, ah. You like Ariel, ah?
Pizza.
It's surprise. It's blind box.
Your friends, you can buy here in Miniso. Okay, Miniso shop, right? Okay, what will you say to your viewers? Don't forget to
Like,
share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.